So this is the third of my algebra for Year 7 information. We're looking today at evaluating expressions and collecting like terms. So firstly, evaluating expressions. Two expressions are called equivalent when they are equal, regardless of what numbers are substituted for the variables. For example, 5x plus 2 is equivalent to 2 plus 5x because the order is different. It doesn't change the value of the expression. And 1 plus 5x plus 1 is also equivalent because 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5x. And also x plus 4x plus 2 is also equivalent. So an equivalent, here's a good example of an equivalent equation. 3x plus 4 is equivalent to 2x plus 4 plus x. Equivalent means that they are worth the same value when x, doesn't matter what x is worth. So if we substitute x into this equation, 3x plus 4, if x is 1, so we'd have 3 times 1 plus 4 equals 7. When x is 2, 3x plus 4, so 3 times 2 plus 4 is 10. And when x is 3, 3 times x plus 4 is 13. And you'll see if we use this equation here, it's equivalent because the answers are the same. 2x plus 4 plus x, when x is 1 equals 7. When x is 2, it equals 10. And when x is 3, it equals 13. So you can see that 3x plus 4 is equivalent to 2x plus 4 plus x for all values of x. That makes these equations equivalent. So like terms. Like terms are terms containing exactly the same variables, although not necessarily in the same order. 5ab and 3ab are like terms because they have exactly the same variables, a and b. 4a and 4b are not like terms because although they contain variables, they're not the same. And here we've got 2acb and 4bac are like terms because although they're not, the variables aren't in the same order, or the pronumerals are not in the same order, they're all still there. They can be put in the same order, A, B, C. It doesn't matter that the coefficients are different as long as the variables are the same. Like terms can be combined within an expression to create a simpler expression that is equivalent. For example, 5ab plus 3ab can be simplified to 8ab. So unless the pronumerals are exactly the same, they may be in a different order, they're not like terms. They must be exactly the same. If two terms are not like terms, such as 4x and 5y, they can be added together to get an expression, 4x plus 5y, but this expression cannot be simplified further. So let's look at some examples. 3x and 2y are like terms because the variables are the same. 3a and 3b are not like terms because the variables are different. 2ab and 5ba are like terms because the variables are the same even though they are written in a different order, 1a and 1b, but different orders. A couple more examples. 4k and k are like terms because the variable is the same. Even though the k doesn't have a coefficient, the variable is the same. Here 2a and 4ab are not like, even though they both contain a, this also contains a b, so they are not like. 7ab and 9aba are not like terms. The variables are not exactly the same. The first term contains 1a and 1b, but the second term contains 2a terms and 1b. Let's look at why this is important. When we're simplifying like terms, 7b plus 2 plus 3b. We can combine the like terms. 7b plus 3b gives us 10b plus 2. We can't simplify that anymore because the 2 contains no variables at all. Another example, 12d minus 4d plus d. We can combine that to 9d. Each term contains the one variable d. We take the 12, we minus 4, so it gives us 8d, plus one more d gives us 9d. All the terms here are like. And another example, 5 plus 12a plus 4b minus 2 plus 3a. There's a lot happening here. We've got plus 12a and a minus 3a. They're like terms. And then we've got 5 and minus 2. They're like, they're constants. Okay, they're just like normal numbers, and we can deal with them normally. And then there's the plus 4b term. So we end up with 12a minus 3a is one set of terms that we can work with, plus 4b, okay, the variable b, and here we've got the constants at the end. So we've rearranged the equation, sorry, the expression thus. So 9a minus 3a gives us, 12a minus 3a gives us 9a, 4b, can't do anything with that, 5 minus 2 gives us 3. And that's it. So that's simplifying like terms.